Okay, we're back. We're going to see if we can do this. This is a 16 by 20. I'm going to build a cup. We're going to do a straight pour, but then I'm going to wreck it with a comb and stretch it out. And Mina Villegas, I love watching her videos, but she's got a cool, like Disney, some kind of princess comb with big wide teeth on it. And I didn't have that, so I took one of my picks. And if you happen to have handy needle nose pliers, you've also got wire cutters right there. So I went through. This is a redneck Disney princess combs. What that is. Redneck princess comb. It'll work. You do with what you do. Okay, I grabbed colors and then I didn't grab colors. I put them back and then I grabbed some other ones. So whatever. We're going to see what happens. Put the lids off. I don't know if I remember every single one of these, who makes it or not. I guess the color is what's important. Basic color. Oh my goodness, I overfilled that. That's going to be a mess. Hot mess, yes. It's full. Anyway, okay. I have got Prussian Blue, Liquitex Basics, Master's Touch Turquoise Green, Deco Art Turquoise. I've got Deco Art Dark Bronze, Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green. I love that color. Got a little bit of Arteza. This is Pearl Copper Gold. And I've got Arteza Pearl Marmalade. And white, of course. And then I've got, I don't know if I'm going to throw this in there or not. We'll see. I need to use some of it because I filled the cup way full. This is Arteza Bordeaux Red, and to that I added a dollop of Deco Art Berry. And then I added a good dollop of Deco Art Metallic Garnet. So, I don't know if that red's going to go in here or not. We shall see. We're just going to start throwing something together. 16 by 20 takes 11.5 ounces of paint, a little bit of white. Always to start. 11.5 ounces of paint. We're going to be putting down white. Puddle to pour into, and then slicking up the rest of it. So this is a 9-ounce cup. We're going to fill it to the top, and then plus what goes on the background, that'll be plenty of paint. Anyway, Prussian Blue, dark turquoise, turquoise, whoops, I got to open up my bottle, turquoise, little white. Yep, we're going with the red, why not? Red. Pearl Marmalade. Pearl Copper Gold. They're about the same. A little bit of white. Do some bronze. Might be all our bronze. Yeah, I gotta get some more of that. Oh my God, I tried to place an order at Michael's online because the stores are closed. I ordered 2 or 3 different kinds of paints of varying amounts and went to checkout. Every single item was out of stock. And no hope for saving the order for when it came into stock. So this is nuts, y'all. Crazy, crazy times. Got something to tell you grandbabies if you got them. Okay, I'm just yapping and filling a cup. Fix us a Quarantini here after a while. Yeah, my little hello video, I said BYOP and B, that means bring your own paint and your own bottle. White. Pearl marmalade. These layers are going to go on the outside of our piece. Pearl copper gold. Got some more of that to mix up. Yep, there's that little cough. Excuse me, I've got allergies. Don't tase me, bro. Did I not? Good Lord. Did I not put any aqua in there? I don't even remember now. Well, we'll see. Yeah, I don't want to blop that on there now. Anyway. Well, we got plenty of colors. We got a full cup. I'm gonna do a little prep here and we will be back to pour and wreck this thing. Okay, I've got my white down all around. Give it something to slide on. Not sure how we're gonna do this. I've never wrecked one with a comb before. But we're gonna see how it goes. I'm just moving it around in a big circle. Stretching it out a little bit. Back to the middle. How do we want to wreck it? I'm going to go through here. Trippy. Oh, I don't want to make it look like a giant eye. This way. Anybody's watching, they're probably yelling at me. I'm going the wrong direction. I'm doing the wrong thing. Whatever. Okay, we're going to stop. Or we super wreck it. Stop the bubbles again. I notice there's a bunch of bubbles in here. Which is weird because I mixed my paint up a couple of days ago and I didn't really shake it. I just kind of roll it around. Try not to shake it. But, ooh, I think this is cute. Let's see what happens here. Paint in the middle. Up that corner, now we're coming back to the middle. We're going to go down to this corner. Composition's riding on a wave of white, so that's what we want. We're going to catch that corner and come back to the middle. We're going to go over this way. See, watch your paint. You can see where it's moving. Move the canvas around how you want it to go. Whoops. Bring it back to the middle. Oh, see a paint goober in there. I got to get out here in a second. This is cool. Bring it down to this corner. That would be cool to just, yeah, catch them. Cool. I like them. I don't mind a little bit of negative space, especially if it's interesting. It's interesting. Okay. I can see I'm not liking all this red down here in this corner, so we're going to go to the opposite corner. Get rid of some of that, and then we'll come back. There we go. Hasta luego. Stop, bring it back. Stop right there. Because remember what I say about happy accidents? Well, there was one right there. I just stuck my finger in the corner of that. Lots and lots of paint on my fingers. But I also always keep paper towels wadded up and ready to go. I see goobers, boogers, and we're going to get them out. Oh goodness. And I don't mind at all what it does to the composition. It's a part of it. We'll try not to throw my shirt down in there. There it is. I knew I saw it. I think that's about it. That's when you like a little glare on your piece. Excuse me. Cool. I like it. I like this down here. I think we wrecked it just about enough. Yep, we're going to stop. Okay, bring in for a close-up. There she is. That's number 90. Look at me go. Cleaned up the edges, make sure we're all covered. See, I like that. That's cool. I like it. Pretty. Okay, well, let me know what you think. Hit the like button if you do. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Share me. I don't often tell people to pass me around, you know. Oh, I hope y'all are doing good in this melee we've got going on. Ain't it something? Faith. We'll get there. Take care, y'all. Bye.